You watching Srikanth Ideal Chemistry. So in this video we are discussing about ortho effect. So what is meant by ortho effect? The effect which is caused by the presence of a group at ortho position of a benzoic acid or aniline irrespective of its nature is called as a ortho effect. What is? Presence of a group at ortho position of benzoic acid or aniline irrespective of its nature is called ortho effect. So the ortho effect we generally observe in a benzoic acid and aniline. So suppose due to presence of ortho effect in benzoic acid, the acidic strength can be increased. At the same time, due to presence of ortho effect in a aniline, the basic nature can be decreased. So for your better understanding, suppose this is the benzoic acid and this is a ortho substituted benzoic acid. Here the group is taken as whether it is electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group. So when electron releasing group or electron withdrawing group present at ortho position of benzoic acid, it increases the acidic nature of benzoic acid. I mean the ortho substituted benzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. So similarly, when you take the aniline and ortho substituted aniline, this is aniline and this is ortho substituted aniline. So for aniline, the ortho substituted aniline can having a less basic nature to the aniline. I mean the aniline is more basic nature than ortho substituted aniline. So more basic, this is more basic and this is a more acidic. So finally what out may be the reason is ortho effect. Here some factors which can influence on ortho effect. So those are SIR effect, SIP effect and electronic effect. What are factors can influence ortho effect? Those are SIR effect, SIP effect and electronic effect. So here electronic effect means hydrogen bonding. So for better understanding of ortho effect concept, just once see my videos about SIR effect and SIP effect. Then you can easily understand the ortho effect. So here electronic effect means hydrogen bonding. So based on this factor, we can explain the ortho effect of benzoic acid or aniline. So now we will see some examples. So this is the example one. When you observe the example one, in the example one we have the two compounds. One is benzoic acid and ortho methyl benzoic acid. So in the comparing both one, so here the first compound can shows the plus M effect, but the second compound cannot shows the plus M effect and it shows the plus I effect. So why it cannot show the plus M effect at ortho position? So due to presence of methyl group at ortho position, here the COH group can be pass away out of the plane due to steric hindrance. So here ortho effect is present. So here ortho effect means SIR effect is present So due to SIR effect, the carboxyl group can passing away out of the plane. So due to all this factor, so due to presence of ortho effect, the second structure is more acidic than a first structure. So this is a more acidic. Okay. So when you go for the second example, in the second example we have a orthohydroxybenzoic acid and orthomethoxybenzoic acid. When compare the both structures, in the first structure here a hydrogen bond can be developed. So here ortho effect is present, that is a formation of hydrogen bond. This is also we call as electronic effect. Here a hydrogen bond can be developed between a hydrogen atom of alcohol and oxygen atom of carboxylic group. So a hydrogen bond can be developed. So here I want to say one thing. The hydrogen bond is more effective than SIR effect and SIP effect. So when you go for the second structure, here due to presence of methoxy group at ortho position, it can the carboxyl group passing away to the out of the plane. So it shows the SIR effect. So this is also ortho effect. But the hydrogen bond is more effective than SIR effect. So first structure is more acidic than second structure. So this is more acidic. So first structure is more acidic. That's students, this is the next example. So here in this example we have the four structures. We need to arrange the four structures based on their acidic nature. So if we take that in the first structure we have the two OH groups at ortho position. So here two hydrogen bonds can be possible. Two hydrogen bonds can be possible. Here one OH group present at ortho position. Here one hydrogen bond can be possible. Here OH group present at meta position. It just show the minus I effect. Cannot show the mesomeric effect. Here the OH group present at ortho para position. So it can show the both plus M and minus I effect. So these are the effects of observed in the given compound. So when you take the order of their acidic nature, then due to presence of two hydrogen bonds, first structure is more acidic. After that second structure due to presence of one hydrogen bond. After in third and fourth structure, third structure having only minus I effect, but in the fourth structure we have a minus I effect and plus M effect. So mesomeric effect is more effective than minus inductive effect. So third structure is more acidic than fourth structure. So this is the order of their acidic nature. Next example 4. So in the example 4 again we have the four structures. So here in the first structure the NO2 group present at ortho position. So here a hydrogen bond can be possible. Hydrogen bond can be possible due to ortho effect. So it is so here ortho effect is present. Ortho effect. So due to formation of hydrogen bond, and NO2 group shows the minus I effect and minus M effect. Okay, when you go for that second structure, here NO2 group present at meta position, it can shows the minus effect and it cannot shows the minus M effect. Here NO2 present at para position, here minus I and minus M effect can be shows. So this is the reference structure. So when you observe the order of their acidic nature, order of acidic nature. So due to presence of ortho effect, first structure is more acidic than remaining color. So in the, after that when compared to second and third one shows the both minus I and minus M effect. So third structure is next highest acidic nature. After that second one, and at last fourth one reference structure. So this is the order of their acidic nature of fourth example. So when I go for the fifth example, if you observe that here also we have again four structures are present. So in the four structures, first structure can shows the ortho effect. So here ortho effect is there. Ortho effect. So and chlorine shows the both minus I and plus M effect. So here chlorine present at meta position, it just shows the minus I effect. Here chlorine present at para position, it shows the both minus I and plus M effect, and this is a reference structure. When you compare their acidic nature, then order of acidic nature. So due to presence of ortho effect, so first structure is more acidic in nature. After that, when compare the second and third one, in the third one plus some effect is present. So it is weak acidic when compared to the second structure. So and after that fourth structure at last. So this is the order of the acidic nature of the given example. Next. So in this example we have the 5 structures are present. So just give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I observe the, we will check each and every one structure. So in the first structure ortho effect is present. So and here ortho effect is present. That is a SIR effect, and here the methyl group shows the plus I effect. When I go for the second structure, here methyl group present at meta position, it just show the plus I effect. Here in third structure, the methyl group present at para position, it can shows both plus I and plus M effect. Sorry, plus H effect, hyperconjugation. So here 3 alpha hydrogen atoms are present. When I go for the fourth structure, it is just a reference structure. In the fifth structure, it can show the ortho effect, but it is better. It shows the ortho effect better than first structure. Why? Because in the first structure we have only one methyl group at ortho position. Here two methyl groups at ortho position. So here ortho effect, I mean SIR effect is present, and shows the more effectiveness, and both methyl groups shows the plus I effect. So based on that, if you take the order of their acidic nature, if you take that, fifth structure is more acidic than all. After that, first structure, after due to ortho effect of and more ortho effect or more SIR effect, fifth structure having more acidic nature. After that, first structure having more acidic nature. Remaining second, third, and fourth, and plus I plus H groups can be decrease the acidic nature of the given structures. So then fourth structure having don't have any plus I groups, so it is reference structure. It is having a more basic nature than remaining. After that, we have remaining left off to second and third structure. In second structure, methyl group shows the only plus I. In third structure, the methyl group shows the both plus I and plus H. So it is a very weak acidic nature. So next position is second structure, and third structure is at last. So this is the order of acidic nature of a given structures. And next example. So this is example 7. So here also we have the 4 structures. First I just give the naming 1, 2, 3, 4. When you observe the 4 structures, here all groups are present at ortho position. So all are shows the SIR effect. All in all structures the carboxyl group is out of plane, and here all groups are at ortho position shows the plus I effect. Plus I effect, plus I effect, plus I, plus I, SIR, SIR effect, SIR effect, SIR effect. So here we can't express anything based on the plus I effect, based on the SIR effect, based on the ortho effect. But when you observe that the groups present at ortho position are changed from one compound to another compound. So here we can say the acidic nature based on the size. So if size of a group at ortho position is increased, acidic nature also increase. So size of group at ortho position increase, then acidic nature increase. So then if you take the order of acidic strength, we get So in all that, first structure has the highest bulky group or more size of group. So first structure is more acidic nature. After that, third structure is more bulky group. So it is more second highest acidic nature. After second and fourth one, at second we have the methyl group. At fourth we have the ethyl group. So ethyl group is more size when compared to the methyl group. Next position is fourth structure, and second structure is here we get third structure. So second structure is at last. So this is the order of acidic nature of given four structures. So next example number 8. Example 8. So in the when you observe the example 8, here also we have the four structures. So I just give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. When I observe that the first three structures can show the ortho effect, and fourth one cannot show the ortho effect. So first three structures can show the ortho effect, and fourth one cannot show the ortho effect. So here ortho, and here NO2 shows the minus I, minus M effect. Here chlorine shows the minus I, plus M effect, and here methyl group shows the plus I and plus H effect, and this is a reference structure. So then order of their acidic nature, if you take that, so in all that all are showing ortho effect. So based on the ortho effect we cannot show anything, but in the first structure NO2 shows the both minus I and minus M effect. So first structure is more acidic. After that, when compare the second and third structure, in the second structure chlorine shows the minus I and plus M. In third structure shows the plus H and plus I. So on comparison, second structure is more acidic than third structure. And when compare third and fourth structure, in third structure methyl group shows the both hyperconjugation and plus I effect. In the fourth structure we don't have any reference structures, so any plus I groups. So third structure is more stable than fourth one. So due to presence of, actually without ortho effect it is less acidic than fourth structure. Due to presence of ortho effect, third structure is more acidic than fourth structure. Friends, this is next example, example 9. So in this we have three structures. So I just give the numbering 1, 2 and 3. So when you observe the three structures, in the first structure here NO2 groups cannot show the ortho effect. Why? Because here OH is the not bulky group, it is a small group. Due to small group nativity of OH group, here ortho effect or SIR effect cannot be possible, or if it is present, negligible ortho effect. So here negligible ortho effect is present. So here we can express based on the minus I and plus M effect. So here NO2 shows the both minus I and minus M effect. Both NO2 groups shows the minus I and minus M effect. So when I go for the second structure, in the second structure here between OH and NO2 ortho effect can be possible, and between both NO2 groups we can say the ortho effect. So here ortho effect is present, and these NO2 group shows the minus IA, minus M effect, and these NO2 group present at meta position, so it can shows the both only minus I effect. Here these NO2 is due to ortho effect, these NO2 can be goes out of plane. So for this NO2 ortho effect is present. Ortho effect, I mean SIR effect is present for this NO2 group. So it cannot show the resonance with the benzene ring. So here plus M effect minus M effect is not possible. So due to out of plane, it can show only minus I effect. So no resonance for this NO2. For this NO2, once again see, due to ortho effect, these NO2 group passing away from the plane. So due to SIR effect and ortho effect, so no resonance cannot be possible. Here NO2 group cannot show the minus M effect with benzene, so only minus effect only possible. When you go for the third structure, so here NO2 can be due to ortho effect of to this NO2 group, it is passing away out of plane. So here ortho effect is there only for this NO2 group. Ortho effect, I mean that is a SIR effect. So out of the plane can be possible, and these NO2 groups are present at meta position of OH. So if you check the position of NO2 groups from OH, these are the meta positions. They can show only minus I effect, and due to out of plane, these NO2 group also shows the only minus I effect. So based on this, we can say the order of the basic acidic nature, order of acidic nature. So first texture is more acidic due to showing off of both minus I and two NO2 groups shows the minus I and minus M effect. So first texture is more acidic than second one. So why? Because in second one, in ortho effect is present, and 2 nitrogen shows the minus 3 nitrogen group shows the minus effect, and 1 nitrogen group shows the minus M effect. Finally, so second structure is more acidic than third structure. So this is the order of acidic nature of a given example. So we will go for the next example. This is example 10. Here also we have 3 structures. I just give the numbering 1, 2 and 3. So here we are discussing about the substitute anilines. When you see that in the first structure, so due to presence of methyl group, here ortho effect can be possible. That is we call as SIP effect. Here SIP effect is possible. That is we call as ortho effect. And this methyl group shows the both plus I and plus H effect. So and when I go for the second structure, so it is a reference structure, and when I go for third structure, it is also shows the ortho effect. That is a hydrogen bond. So a hydrogen bond can be developed between a hydrogen atom of nitrogen and oxygen atom of OH group. So hydrogen bond is more effective in all type of effects like SIR and SIP. So based on this, we can say order. Then order of basic nature. These are anilines. If you take that, due to presence of hydrogen bond, third structure is more stable. So due to SIP effect, first structure is less basic nature than second one. So next position is second one, and last position is a third one. So at starting I just said the ortho substituted anilines are weak basic in nature when compared to the reference aniline. Okay, so based on that we can provide the order of basic nature like this. And last example, this is example 11. Here we have the 4 structures. So I just give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So in these 4 structures, if you observe that in the first structure is ortho effect is present. Ortho effect is present. So and these NO2 group shows the both minus I and minus M effect. When you go for the second structure, here NO2 is present at meta position. So it can show the minus I, cannot show the plus M. So meta effect cannot operate at meta position. And when you go for third structure, here NO2 shows the both minus I and minus M. And fourth structure is a reference structure. So due to presence of ortho effect, so this is the last position in all thing. So due to presence of minus I groups of second and third, minus I groups can be decrease the basic nature of the substance. So if you take the order of basic nature, the reference structure or fourth structure is more basic nature than remaining. Ortho effect is last position. So due to presence of ortho effect, this is least basic nature. So don't think about that one. When I go for the second and third structure, in the second structure only minus I effect is operating. In third structure, here both minus I and minus M effect can be operated. So it is weak basic. Third structure is a weak basic nature when compared to the second one. So next position is second one, and next one is third one, and first structure is at last due to ortho effect. So this is the order of basic nature of a given compounds. Okay students, if you like my concept, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thank you.